Pag lahat takot, doon ka mag-invest. Kung lahat optimistic, lahat sinasabi maganda, doon ka matakot. Maniwala kayo sa akin. Maniwala kayo sa akin. According to Warren Buffett, isa sa pinakamagaling na investor, you invest when everybody is afraid. And when everybody is optimistic, don't invest or sell. We are living at a time na medyo may gera, di ba? So, maraming natatakot, tumataas ang gasolina, at marami ang natatakot dahil dito sa nangyayari, no? Marami ako naririnig, hindi muna ako mag-i-invest, hintayin ko munang maayos itong problema. If you will wait for the perfect time, there will be no perfect time. These times are normal already in our world. We are living these times, itong gera sa Iran, ordinaryo na ito. Ito na ang mundong ginagalawan natin. I would like to encourage you that I have a different take on that. No? Una, there is no perfect time to invest. There is no perfect time to invest. I'll give you a personal testimony. Ito pong bahay na ito, kung saan tinatayo ito, binili ko po ito during COVID. 11,000 pesos per square meter. Alam nyo kung magkano na ngayon. COVID lang yun, ha? That is 2021. Ngayon, 2025, 4 years na, ang presyo rito is 40 to 50,000. Ibig sabihin, kung hindi ko binili nun, dahil natakot ako, dahil COVID, hindi mangyayari ito. Kaya ang encouragement ko to each and every one, these events, COVID, wars, a lot of earthquakes, are normal. We're living in abnormal times. We should not stop life. We should not stop investing. We should not stop living just because of these situations. But after, and this war would be over, I tell you, this war would be over. It will not go on forever. Prices will increase. Definitely, prices will increase. Land will increase. Ngayon, walang kwenta yung lupang yan. Pero after the war, after everything, it will increase in value. And that's what happened. Real estate is a hedge against inflation. Ang lupa, ito lang ang investment na paakyat ang value. Real estate. Kaya hedge against inflation dahil tumataas din ang value para meron kang panangga dun sa pagtaas ng presyo ng ibang bilihin dahil sumasabay ang pagtaas ng presyo ng lupa. Yung mga binibenta naming 4.9 noon sa Idagan, ngayon 8,000 na, 7,000 mahigit 8,000. Na doble ang pera ng mga bumili halos. I would like to encourage each and every one, the best time to buy real estate is now. Is yesterday actually. The second best time is now.